Hello, today we will be going over operation and safety for the Blue Diamond telescopic auger mount and mount stand. This auger mount should only be paired with a skid steer that has a minimum rated operating capacity of 1,800 pounds. In addition, the mount can accommodate auger bits weighing up to 220 pounds. To extend and retract the Blue Diamond telescopic auger mount, begin by positioning it flat on the ground with the drive unit pointing forward. Remove the pin from the bottom of the outer boom. To extend the boom, slowly reverse the skid steer loader so that the outer boom slides down the inner boom. Once the top pinholes of the outer boom are level with the holes of the inner boom, insert the pin in the top holes and secure with the linch pin. To retract the boom, after removing the pin from the outer boom, slowly drive the skid steer loader forward so that the outer boom slides up the inner boom. Once the bottom pinholes of the outer boom are level with the bottom holes of the inner boom, insert the pin and secure with the linch pin. When the total auger weight is near the maximum rating, avoid tipping by keeping the telescopic auger mount angled so the load is as close to the operator as possible. The Blue Diamond telescopic auger mount allows the operator to reach over obstacles or clearances like ditches and still work safely and effectively. The auger can be connected with an extension to maximize reach when drilling deep holes. When fitting the telescopic mount to the optional transport frame, it is important to make sure that the attachment is sitting on top of the two support blocks at the base of the frame. This ensures that the base hooks secure the placement of the attachment on the frame. Once the mount is placed on the stand, secure the mount frame with the two tie-downs on either side. When transporting the telescopic auger mount, the inner telescopic boom must be fully retracted before transportation. The mount comes standard with two holes located near the top of the boom that will allow you to use a strap or tie-down to secure the auger to the mount for safe transport. Check out Blue Diamond's full line of auger drives, bits, and mounts at bluediamondattachments.com.